Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we got this how to reinstall your wig at home during the quarantine because a bitch still want to look good. So if you want to see how I got this lace to melt into my skin, please keep on watching. So the first step I do is take this got2b spray and spray it all over my edges. And then I mold the hair back while blow drying it so it stays in place. After that, I take a foundation that's closest to my skin color and I put it all over the cap. So after I plop this joint on my head, I put foam on it to mold all the hair back out my waves. So using a hot comb is the same thing, just molding it all back because I don't want any of this to touch my glue when I put it there. So you want to make sure all that hair is just completely out the way. You can have a neat install. So using my Ghost Bond glue, I just take dots and I put it all around my edges, in front of the edges, not on it because you don't want your shit to rip out. But yeah, so after that you want to make sure that you spread it out and blend it well so it dries clear and it doesn't dry white. After that you want to grab your handy dandy blow dryer and you want to blow dry it until it turns clear. Since this is a reinstall, my edges are already, cut short. It's already ready to go. So I just plop it right there on the glue and I tap it down and I kind of like gently tap it into the glue. So right here I'm just combing the edges out and separating it from the back part of the hair so I can get ready to wrap it. Any parts of the glue that shows through the lace that shows up white, you want to just use that foundation brush. And you want to just put it on top of that and it'll turn the same color as your skin. Before I make any sudden movements, I always like to blow dry it and press the lace inside the glue. Look at that shit. It's on the floor. We out here. We get out of quarantine. It's on the floor. Yes, look at that. That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. So after I cut that little edge, I gotta make sure that my hair is up and out the way. There you go. Bingo, because we about to wrap this shit. It's getting real. This the real melt after this. And I just use this wrap that my mom got me like a couple of years ago. I can't find them joints nowhere else, so I keep this on deck. So I kept it on my head for a while. I had ate and everything, came back, took this joint off, and now look at me. I look great. I look good. Yes. So you're going to grab your foam after that. You're going to get the swooshing, them baby hairs. I am nothing without my baby hairs. I will not wear any hairstyle without them. I do not play. So, but that's just, that's a preference. You can always not have baby hairs. It's up to you, but I prefer this. And if you're wondering what I do with the back of my hair, I don't worry about that until the front is all the way done. And then I go in the back and I, clip it and make sure it's sturdy in the back. Well, this is when shit get real. That shit looks so good, but you can see my cap through it. So what I do is take foundation or concealer and I just use that to make the part blend in with the wig cap. So now you can't even see it. After that, you just want to mold it to how you want it, to your liking. You can do a middle part, put it up, whatever you want to do at this point because you're all done and ready to go. My hair was still kind of wet, so I had to like blow dry it and, straighten it and all that jazz. So what I'm doing now is going back in with that concealer. After that, I'm going to take my hot comb and make sure that it is nice and flat. Like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That means it's candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. So here's a little trick I'm gonna tell y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all because we friends. So I take my mascara wand and I go over the hairs just to cover up, where the bleach might have bled through a little bit and made the hair lighter, and also, it's covering the cap some more and just making it look cleaner. And I do this probably on every wig that I have that's obviously a natural color.
6 million ways to die, choose one.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my
So now you're gonna watch me straighten my hair. I've already blow dried it out and everything, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch this. I'm pretty sure y'all get the idea with this.
If competing it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire, this bitch pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Ways to die, choose one.
'Girl, now it's finally time to take that hair wrap off and look. Ooh-wee. Look at her. She ready to go nowhere. I'm childish. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm being petty. But yes, we look good. We ready to just go straight to the living room with this hair, period. And I'm just brushing through it. I love the texture of this wig. Make sure y'all hit me up for y'all wig needs. Obviously, I do not play. I'm just playing. I'm still learning, but I think this is a really good install. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate y'all taking the time out y'all day to watch my video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.